3 new privacy features on WhatsApp August 2022. In the privacy settings, WhatsApp is adding the option, My Contacts Accept, which will let you select specific contacts so that they don't see when the last time was that you were active on the messaging network. The second privacy update is coming to group chats, or more specifically when you leave them. Traditionally, when someone leaves a group chat, WhatsApp announces their exit to the entire group, leaving very public and potentially awkward. WhatsApp officially allows up to 256 people to join a single chat group, so these announcements can also lead to a lot of coming and going during a conversation, which can cause a distraction to other members. To ameliorate the situation going forward, when you leave a group chat, only the administrators of the group are notified. When a group member opts out, a dialog appears that says, "You'll be notified that you left the group." Looking ahead, another privacy feature on its way to the massively popular messaging platform is a way to block users from taking screenshots of "view once" messages. Unlike disappearing messages, the idea is that by blocking screenshots, recipients won't so easily be able to save or share sensitive information with other users. WhatsApp is still testing this feature, but says it will start rolling out to users soon. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.